Okay, in this video, we're going to bring in an HDRI file for our scene, which will help us do some really fast lighting for the render. So in order to do that, we're going to go to this website right here called Polyhaven. We'll just click on that and look for an HDRI file, and this will basically allow Blender to sample the lighting from whatever scene here and shine this image onto our objects in the scene and use that to light it up. So I want some indoor lighting here, so I'm going to take this brown photo studio and I'm going to download it, and we probably only need a 2K file, so I'll download that 2K file, and we're going to grab this EXR file. I'll just keep it in my downloads folder, and now we can go back to Blender, and I'm going to click on this world tab here for the world properties, and then this is a little bit weird here. We're going to click on the color, but we're not going to click on the word color. We're going to click on this yellow dot here, and that's going to pull up a big pop-up menu or drop-down menu, however you want to think about it. And again, just click on the yellow dot. It pulls up that menu, and then click environment texture right here. And that's going to let us set an environment texture for the color. So again, click on the yellow dot, and then we have our environment texture. We're going to click this open icon here, and that'll let us find a file. So I'll just go to downloads, and I'll grab that Brown Photo Studio EXR. And now, if I change this, and if I go to our scene world, it's going to light the coin with that Brown Photo Studio, and you can see that it's a spherical, rendering of that room. So now, let me go back into press 0, go back into the render view. I can press render image, and we should see the coin nicely lit with the scene in the background, that rendering in the background. And we can also turn that off, the background image, if we don't want it there, or put some other object in front of it that blocks it out. But that's essentially how you get a very nicely lit and rendered scene inside of Blender.